Hi, welcome to the Quantity Surveying Studio. In this video, we'll be looking into a very helpful function that can be done in Excel. So that is called a drop-down list. So we'll see how to make a drop-down list. Most of us will be having no idea how this is done. And even in my 11 years of experience, I have started using this only recently. And after that, once I've started using it, I found it to be very useful. It can be used not only in the QS profession, it can be used by any profession while making reports in Excel, and it is really simple to do this. So let's move into the video. So here, if you see, the first step is to define that list. I'm making a report of comparing the quotations, the bid quotes, the tenders that has come. So for that, I'm using drop-down list for that particular report. So first is to make the list, define list. Let's assume that for a particular tender, around 4 contractors were asked to bid A, B, C, D. Then we are doing a comparison. So I have defined some status like submitted, declined, not submitted, and the price status like if it was under budget or budget equals the budget or not applicable. If they have declined or not submitted, then the price status is of no use, so that is why not applicable. So first, after making this list, so let's prepare the reports. I'll copy the same headings in the summary. Now the first step is to go to data, click on data validation, click here data validation. Here go to allow, click on list. Then we need to provide the source. So the source for this particular contractor where you need to get the data is in list. So go to list, you need to drag. So the contractors, we had defined 4 contractors A, B, C, D, that you can drag and click on OK. So if you see here, a drop down has come, and if you click on the drop down, see, we can click A, B, C, D. So I'll just copy paste the same below. So we need to do the comparison of 4 contractors. So I'll copy paste it to second cell, third cell, fourth cell. Here we'll have the status of A. Here we'll have the status of B. Here we'll drop down and select C. Here D. Now the bid status. Again, same method. Keep the cell there, go to data, data validation, click on allow, list the source, click on the cell, go to the source. So bid status we had already defined here. So drag that. So these three were the cells that were defined for the bid status. Click on OK. So here, let's say that A submitted the bid, B. Okay, now we have to click these to the other cells. Let's assume B declined, C again submitted, D not submitted. So declined and not submitted is kind of same. Just for this particular example I am doing. Sometimes some contractors know they might decline initially itself. Other contractor they might agree that they will be bidding it, but at the last moment they would, like on the tender due date, they would not be submitting it. That is why that two different. Now here the price status, again the same. Go to data validation, click on list, click on the source cell, go to the price status defined cells, drag all of them. Okay, so that function has come. Control copy and paste it to the other cells. So here it was submitted, so let's assume it is under budget. Declined, so there is no use, so not applicable. Submitted, let's say this was over budget. Not submitted, again it will be not applicable. It became very easy. You can easily prepare reports using this simple technique. So hope this would come useful in your professional life. So thanks a lot for watching this video. Keep watching for more quantity surveying related topics, Excel related topic that could be really helpful in your career. Don't forget to subscribe to Quantity Surveying Studio. Take care. Bye.